Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp at Revive Injury and Wellness here in West Linn. Today I wanted to talk briefly about foot pain. A lot of people complain about their feet hurting, especially if you're standing a lot, doing a lot of walking around, standing on hard floors. Your feet get tired and sore at the end of the day. I wanted to give you a couple little tips you can use at home when you're sitting and relaxing at the end of the day to help keep your feet feeling good. The first one is just ankle mobilization. So with your bare foot, you're going to take your hand, lace your fingers in between your toes, like you're holding hands, but with your foot, and then you're just going to use your hand to mobilize your ankle around a couple different directions. You're going to do 3 or 4 circles one way, then you're going to go the other way. Just keep your foot relaxed while you're doing this. Your hand's doing all the work. And you can move your ankle up and down. Just get some motion through all the joints there. Another thing you can do is gently pull on your toes, pulling them out away from your foot. You might get some popping with that, you might not. Don't force it. Just a little gentle stretch is all you need. Of course, some self-massage is always good. I like to use both thumbs, just work into the arch of the foot, massaging and getting things to loosen up at the end of the day. Of course, if you have persistent foot pain, please let us know at the office. We'd be happy to check you out, evaluate your foot and the rest of your leg, see what might be the underlying cause, and give you some additional help for things you can do at home.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.